In today's class, we are going to learn division algorithm for polynomials. So basic division algorithm says that A equals to BQ plus R, where R is less than equals to the quotient and greater than equals to 0. Now for division algorithm for polynomials, when we divide the polynomials, instead of R less than Q, it becomes degree of R should be less than the degree of Q and should be greater than equals to 0. So this will be a very important portion for our division algorithm. Just like, let's take an example. Let's divide and see how division algorithm takes place. So divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. So 2x square plus 3x plus 1 we are dividing by x plus 2. So first of all, we need to make sure that the first, this one we write, is of the highest degree. So in x plus 2, this degree is 1, this degree is 0 because there is no variable. Whenever there is no variable, the degree becomes 0. So highest degree, that is 1 first, then 0. Over here degree 2 first, then degree 1, then degree 0. So this should always be there. Now while dividing, we need to ensure that the first element in this quotient of the quotient should match with the first element of the dividend. So to convert x into 2x square, we need to multiply by 2x. So x into 2x is 2x square, and we have plus 2 as well. Plus 2 into 2x becomes plus 4x. Now we subtract them. So minus, signs changes, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. 2x minus 2x square cancels off, plus 3x minus 4x is minus x, plus 1 comes down. Now we have a minus x here, this is x. See, degree of the remainder should be less than the degree of the quotient. Degree is 1 here, the degree is 1 here, both have degree 1. So the degree of the quotient should be greater than the degree of remainder. So x, to get minus x, will multiply with minus 1. X into minus 1 is minus x. Plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Signs changes, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. Minus x plus x is 0. 1 plus 2 is 3. So our remainder is basically 3. So this is how division is done. Therefore, we can also check that x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 plus 3 is equals to x plus 1 into 2x minus 1 is 2x square plus 4x minus x minus 2 plus 3. So this is 2x square plus 3x plus 3 minus 2 is plus 1. So this is basically our dividend. So therefore dividend equals to our divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is just check whether the division is correct or not. So this is our division algorithm. Let's look at some more question. Example, next example, divide 3x cubed plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. So solution, when we write the dividend and the divisor, we need to write the highest power first. So cube is the highest power, square is the next, 1 is the next, and 0 is the next. So we'll maintain this order, 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. Now we are dividing this by 1 plus 2x plus x square. Here the highest power is x square. So we write x square first, then plus 2x, the next power 1, and plus 1. Here the degree is 0. So the maximum degree over here is 2, here the degree is 3. So to make x square equals to 3x cube, we'll multiply with 3x. 3x into x square is 3x cube, plus 2x into 3x is plus 3x square, plus 1 into 3x is plus 3x. So we subtract, signs change. This cancels off. Plus x square minus 6x square is minus 5x square, plus 2x minus 3x is minus x. Now plus 5 comes down. So x square, we need to get minus 5x square. So we multiply with minus 5. We get minus 5x square plus 2x into minus 5 is minus 10x, plus 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. Signs change. This cancels off. 10x plus 10x minus x is 9x, plus 5 minus 5, plus 5 plus 5, they add to become 10. So as we can see over here, the degree of the remainder is 1. The maximum power raised to x is 1, and the degree of quotient is 2. So the degree of remainder is less than the degree of quotient, so we stop over here. So this is our division. You can again check in the same process. We can multiply the divisor, that is x square plus 2x plus 1, into the quotient, that is 3x minus 5, plus the remainder. So we get 3x cube plus 3x square minus 5, minus 5x square plus 6x square minus 10x, this is minus 10x, and plus 3x plus 9x plus 10. So this into this is 3x cube, plus 2x into 3x is plus 6x square, plus 1 into 3x is plus 3x, x square into minus 5 minus 5x square, 2x into minus 5 minus 10x, and plus 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. So we have 3x cube, 6x square minus 5x square is plus x square. Now minus 10x plus 3x plus 9x, 9x plus 3x 12x, 12x minus 10x is plus 2x, and 10 minus 5 is 5. So therefore what we are getting is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So since these are all functions of x, we have all as different x, so we can say that dividend as p of x, divisor as g of x, quotient as q of x, and remainder as the r of x. So this, we call this as where degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x, sorry, q of x. It should be less than that of divisor. So the degree of remainder should be less than the degree of the divisor. Q is the quotient, it should be less than divisor. Here I wrote Q mistakenly. This should be B, and here this should be G of X. G of X is our divisor, Q of X is our quotient. So the degree of R of X, that is the remainder, should be less than the degree of our divisor, and or R of X should be equals to 0. Either this happens or R of X is 0. Okay, so next question. So this is what we call the division algorithm for polynomials. Example: divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square, and then we need to verify the division algorithm. So solution. So first we are dividing this our dividend. So first of all we need to write the highest power first, that is minus x cube. Then next is plus 3x square. Then minus 3x plus 5. This we are dividing by again the highest power first, that is minus x square plus x minus 1. Now from minus x square to get minus x cube, we multiply by x. Minus x square into x is minus x cube, plus x into x is plus x square, minus 1 into x is minus x. Signs change. Minus x cube plus x cube cancels off, plus 3x square minus x square is 2x square, minus 3x plus x is minus 2x plus 5. Now from minus x square to get 2x square, we multiply with minus 2. So minus into minus plus, 2 into x square is 2x square, plus into minus, minus, we get 2x, minus into minus, plus 2 ones are 2. Signs change. So 2x square minus 2x square cancels off, minus 2x plus 2x also cancels off, 5 minus 2 is 3. So here our remainder is 3. So now to check, and as you can see the degree of the remainder is 0 and the degree of this is 2. So the degree of remainder should be less than the degree of the divisor. So this is also fine. So we stop over here. Now here dividend equals to minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5, and divisor equals to minus x square plus x minus 1, quotient equals to x minus 2, and remainder is 3. So division algorithm, divisor into quotient plus remainder, this should come as the dividend. So when we add this, we get divisor is minus x square plus x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 3. So this is minus x cube minus plus x square minus x minus minus plus 2x square minus 2x minus minus plus 2 plus 3. So we get this as minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. So this is basically our dividend. So hence division algorithm is verified. And the last and very important type of question this is what you are primarily supposed to do. This is a very important question. So find all the zeros of 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 2 if you know that two of the zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. So solution. Okay. So first of all, since root 2 and minus root 2 are zeros, okay, before this let p of x, we name our main polynomial as p of x. So p of x equals 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 2. Since root 2 and minus root 2 are zeros of p of x, so what happens is x minus root 2 and here x minus root 2, that is x plus root 2, are factors of p of x. Therefore x minus root 2 into, if these two are two factors, different factors, distinct factors of p of x, their multiplication will also be a factor, because just like 12 can be divided by 2, 12 can also be divided by 3. So 2 and 3 are two distinct factors. So 2 and 3, their multiplication, that is 6, is also a factor of 12. So x minus root 2 into x plus root 2 is also a factor of p of x. That is x plus root 2 into x minus root 2 is basically x square minus 2 is a factor of p of x. Now since this is a factor, if we divide the polynomial by x square minus 2, what happens is we'll get certain quotient and the remainder should be 0. Since it is a factor, so the remainder should be 0. So the quotient that we will get, that will be another factor, the remaining factors of this polynomial. So now what we do is we divide p of x by this. So 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 2. We are dividing by x squared minus 2. So x squared, we need to get 2x to the power 4. So x squared into 2x squared is 2x to the power 4. Minus 2 into 2x squared is minus 4x squared. We write x squared just below x squared. Now we'll change the signs. 2x to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 4 cancels off. Minus 3x squared plus 4x squared is x squared. This comes down. This also comes down. Now x squared, we need to get minus 3x cubed. So we multiply by minus 3x. So minus 3x into x squared is minus 3x cubed. Minus minus plus 3 to the 6x, plus 6x. So signs change, they cancel out, we are left with plus x squared and minus 2 comes down. So x squared into 1 is x squared and minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So signs change, they also cancel out, the remainder becomes 0, which should have come as 0 itself. Now from here we know that x minus root 2 and x plus root 2 are factors. So the remaining two factors will come from here. So what we'll do now is we'll take this and we'll factorize this. So 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 2 is basically the multiplication of this two, x square minus 2 into 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. So we'll now only take this portion. So 2x square minus 3x plus 1, we'll middle term break this. So 2 1s are 2 and 3 we can distribute as 2 plus 1, where 2 plus 1 will become 3 and 2 into 1 will become 2. So 2x square minus 2 plus 1 into x plus 1. 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1. So 2x comes common, x minus 1, minus 1 comes common, x minus 1. Now from both this, x minus 1 comes common, we have 2x minus 1. So this one on breaking we get as x minus 1, 2x minus 1. So from here, so its zeros are, so x minus 1 equals to 0 means x equals to 1, and 2x minus 1 equals to 0 means x will be equals to half. So 1 comma half. So therefore the zeros of p of x are, so initially we were given two zeros, so root 2 and minus root 2, so root 2 comma minus root 2 comma 1 comma half. So since this is power 4, so there should be total of 4 zeros. So here are the 4 zeros of the given equation. So with this we come to the end of today's class.